Welcome to Research Without Borders 2021. I'm Joanne Boden and I'm a PhD student working at the School of Geographical Sciences. And today I'm going to tell you a story about the evolution of antioxidant enzymes. Have you ever wondered why an apple goes brown after it's cut? It happens because oxygen molecules in the air, the same oxygen that we need to survive and to breathe, actually reacts with molecules in the apple's flesh and damages them, causing them to go brown. You might have heard of the old wives' tale, squeeze a bit of lemon juice on your apple and it'll stop it going brown. It works because vitamin C in the lemon is an antioxidant. It prevents oxygen from damaging the molecules in the apple's flesh. We as people use antioxidants as well. We eat them in our diet from vitamin C, but we can also construct them ourselves. And these antioxidants are really special because we can track their evolutionary history. Antioxidant enzymes evolve just like life does. Whenever a new animal or a plant or even a bacterium is moved from one environment to a different environment, then it either dies and doesn't survive, or it evolves mutations and develops new ways of dealing with that environment. So if that environment was somewhere where there was a lot of oxygen around, then that organism might evolve antioxidant mechanisms to protect itself from the oxygen. In my research, I want to understand when these antioxidants first evolved. And in order to do that, I study ancient photosynthetic organisms called cyanobacteria. I grow them in the laboratory, extract their DNA, and analyze that DNA to find out what they're capable of doing. Our results suggest that life has been using antioxidants like this red superoxide dismutase enzyme for 2,700 million years. Let's put that into perspective for a minute. That is before dinosaurs walked on our planet. That's before even the simplest forms of animal life like this jellyfish started moving around in the ocean. It's even before the plants that we know and love evolved. Without forests to create oxygen by photosynthesis, there really wasn't much to breathe in the atmosphere. If you landed here, you would have needed a spacesuit. So our findings show that aerobic forms of life have been equipped with proteins to protect themselves from the damaging effects of oxygen since close to the origin of life. We suspect that cyanobacteria were using antioxidants at this time because they were generating their own oxygen. Next time you see an apple going brown in the air or on your kitchen table, think of the miraculous enzymes which have been protecting us from going brown for millions of years. If you want to find out more, feel free to chat to me during the Research Without Borders public outreach event, or you can read a copy of our paper